Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't laugh at me. But I'm here with one of my best friends. We're gonna try doing the tie-dye shirt thing. I bought some dye a few weeks back and I was kind of saving it to try doing it with you guys on camera for the first time. So if I succeed at this, then anybody can do it. It's currently 9:57 and we're barely gonna do this right now, PM. And my husband just went out to get some pizza. So we're gonna do this right now. That's my friend right here, Mireya. She's getting the area prepped. Look at her with her professional gloves. But yeah, let's get started. First, I'm starting off here with, I got some of my hot water ready. I'm gonna lay out more bags right now for protection of my counters, even though I don't think it's gonna do nothing to it, but you know, just to be safe. I got my bottles. I think these are useful, or spray. I guess there's different methods to this madness, but we're gonna try both so you guys can even see the difference. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so we're starting here with my friend's shirt. She started off with her shirt damp at first, so don't forget to dampen your shirt. And she already has her dye ready and mixed. You just need to have some warm water and some dye. So you just kind of add as much as you think, as much as opaque as you want it to look. So it depends. That could be like 3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons. It just depends on the opacity you're looking for. And to start off now, you know, she tied her shirt. She scrunched it up in the pattern that she wanted. And if you look up on YouTube, there's many different patterns that you can do. I'm not sure exactly what she was doing, but I know that she just kind of scrunched up her shirt and tied it to hold it in place. And is now liberally spraying the shirt all over, making sure to get every area and every crevice as much as she can. So now she's untying the shirt because she wants to look at it and see the pattern that is being created, and to see if there's any bald areas that she kind of wants to go over. So as you see, it looked a little sparse. So she's kind of going over those areas once again and scrunching up the shirt so that she can aim at those parts of the shirt that needed to have more dye on it. She could have left it like this, but obviously that wasn't the look she was going for. And now, once again, she's going to just spray the whole shirt, and hopefully at this point she's going to get the look that she's going for. So she's just going to take those hair ties out or those rubber bands out and once again check it out and see if she likes how it's coming out. And at this point she is satisfied with what it looks like, and you know, at this point I guess you can just throw your shirt in the dryer. She said that she saw lots of videos where people would just do that. But now we're going to move on to my shirt. So now I'm going to be mixing the dye that I'm going to be using for my shirts. And I went in with this taupe color. I'll list exactly which colors I use under in the description. But yeah, as you see, I just put in like a little bit of the bottle full of dye and then the rest of it with warm water, hot water. And I'm just testing the color out on that napkin. I thought it was a little too light at first, so I went in with a little bit more dye. And I'm just going to test it here again on this white napkin to see kind of the color opacity and how it's coming out. So at that point, I liked it. I'm working here on my daughter's little shirt. It's a little size 2 t-shirt. And I'm just starting to scrunch it up. I don't know if I was just overthinking it, but I was just like super like confused of how to scrunch. I thought I should have probably done a little bit more research before I did this on how to scrunch it, but it ended up working out. I guess it does not have to be perfect. It's going to work out either way, so I guess don't take your scrunching too serious. It's kind of like a, you know, no-brainer. It's going to work out either way, so just don't get too stressed about that. And now I'm just going over the whole shirt, and I'm using the squirt bottle, so it's a different method than the spray. I feel like with this one, it just comes out more wet and more just blended overall. Like if you're looking for a more blended look, I think this is the method you should go with, because it really just reaches in and it kind of blends everything together because it's more damp. Okay. The moment of truth to see if there's any shape going on in here. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. There has to be something. Ooh. actually like that. Okay. Okay. It's actually cool, but what do I do after this?
Mom, that's for me. I don't like it.
Okay.
I really don't like it, Mom.
I'm gonna let it drip in the sink for now, I guess.
Whoa.
Okay.
Whoa.
Sorry if I'm crooked here, guys, but I'm gonna go down for this shirt and I'm gonna try it. Now I'm gonna make twin shirts with Ellie, my 3-year-old. I wish I could sing like you. Hey, baby, you're back quick. Hey, the pizza's just got here.
So the biggest one is the guy with the mod, so I just got the same thing twice.
Dang, you know what? I just realized I'm gonna look like a lard because the last time I filmed, we ate one pizza. Kind of am, guys, but it's okay.
Know I do to make it through the times we had. I see it now, I see it now. Real love, now I break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I work it out, I work it out. And I'll be somewhere that you need me.
According to my girl here, she said she's seen videos where you just pop it straight into the dryer, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm a little concerned, but I'm gonna trust her because she's done it before one time. Okay. I'm gonna take advantage. I have some leftover dye, and I'm gonna do my little girl's white shorts so she could have matching white shorts and shirt. How cute, little matching separates. That's my goal to do for myself, but I need to go find some of these for myself.
Somewhere deep inside of you, I know you want me to. You're just afraid to say real love. Now I see you and I'll make it through to find a life that we once had. I see it now, I feel it now. Real love. Now I see you, yeah, you know I do to make it through the times we had. I see it now, I see it now. Real love, now I break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I work it out.
Mom, I want to be your friend.
You wanna be my twin? Yeah. Okay, you will be. I do? Oh, no, I don't. Yeah, it just beeped. Oh, girl, I know this doesn't happen. Well, it does. Okay, so I just took this out of the dryer and it's still a little bit damp, but I want to show you guys the final result, and it's pretty cute. Came out, I really like it. I might cut this shirt or like do something to it. I don't know, because it's not really the cutest shaped shirt, but this is how Ella's little outfit came out. But it's literally the cutest thing. It's the cutest thing. Look at this, guys. So make your kids these really cute, trendy outfits. They are adorable. Hold on, guys. Let's see if I'm showing all over again.
Real love, now I see you, yeah, you know I do to make it through the times we had. I see it now, I see it now. Real love, now I break through to show to you.
Alright guys, so that is it for today. This video was a success. Honestly, I really doubted it for a second. I just did not think that it was going to come out, but it did, and I'm super excited because I'm going to go and tie-dye my life away now. And you better believe she's going to get a lot of matching separates and my other little one too. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from it. And don't forget to subscribe so you guys don't miss any videos, and don't forget to put a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a very blessed day. God bless. Bye bye.